Hello and welcome to Making Technology Easier for 21st Century Teachers and Learners. I'm Phil Hockman, your course instructor, and welcome to How to Interact with the Class Wiki. Whether you've used a wiki before or never seen one before, this tutorial will take you through some different parts which will help making this class a lot more successful. Let's take a look at the 3 parts of this tutorial video. Part 1 talks about the navigation of the wiki. There are some specific buttons and locations that you will need to know in order for you to be able to interact with the wiki, find the assignments, and post your responses to the different requirements. Part 2 will talk about backing up your data. Making sure you have a backup copy off of the wiki is very, very important. In case something happens, some kind of glitch, something gets overwritten by accident, you always want to have a backup copy on your computer that you can easily repost so that nothing is ever lost. And part 3 talks about submitting your work. So when do you submit your work? How often do you let me know work is submitted? How does that all work? So let's get started. First off, I'm going to be going through some different hotkeys. Hotkeys are ways that you can navigate on your computer, whether you're with a PC or a Mac OS. Hotkeys help making your life easier when you're moving between the class website, the class wiki, a Word document. It makes everything a lot smoother. So the first one is called a task switcher. If you're looking at your keyboard and you have a PC, Alt-Tab are going to be your buttons. If you're looking at your PC and you have a Mac, it's going to be Control-Tab. So when I hit Alt-Tab, you'll notice a couple things pop up. All the things on my computer, I can easily keep holding down Alt and hitting Tab. I can jump around some different things. So what I'm jumping to first is our Class Wiki, which is edu526.wikispace.com. If you're watching this video, you've already found this site. So taking a look here, there are some very, very important things. You have some contact information from me. You need to email me. My email address is right here. There's some videos you're going to watch. This video will be uploaded, and you'll see that too. The course workbook, all the course assignments. If you look over here to the right, you can see things like modules. All right, and we're going to use a fictional student by the name of John Doe. So imagine you were John Doe, and you wanted to go to your site. All you got to do is click that link, and it brings you to your website page on the wiki. Now, how do you interact with this? Basically, what you want to do is you want to hit the Edit button. Once you hit the Edit button, okay, it turns into a web page. Now, luckily, I've already pasted in here all of the assignments that you're going to do. So if you're looking at this, it's really, really easy. If you hit the Save button, it turns back into a website. So where do you post assignment number 1? Right where it says assignment number 1. 2, 3, 4. Each module has 5 assignments. You post them right underneath that line. It keeps the class really, really organized. But you're like, wait a second, what happens if I type something wrong or it gets deleted here? How do I make this backup copy? So what you want to do is you want to hit the Edit button, and we're going to start using hotkeys again. The first hotkey, or the next hotkey we're going to show you, is something called Control A, and that means select all. If I hit Control A, you'll notice that the entire web page, in where it's a text document, gets highlighted. Notice nothing up here gets highlighted, just the text document. So from here, I am going to hit my copy hotkey, which is Control C. If you're a Mac, it's Command C. All right, and then everything is now copied. I'll use my task switcher, holding down Alt, and I'll go to my Word document, and then I'll use my paste, which is Control V for PC users and Command V for Mac users. So I hit Control V, and all my assignments are here. So really, really easy. I can then paste anything I want, type it in here. All right, so here's a test. I would then hit Control A, then select all, Control C to copy it. I would go back to the Class Wiki. I hit the Control V to paste. All right, if we look up here, you'll see that the test is now here. I hit Save, and now it's uploaded properly to the Class Wiki. Now, I know I'm going pretty fast, so the cool thing about this video is you can always rewind and press play at your own pace to individualize this learning. So that's the basic way that you want to navigate the website. It's a basic way that you want to post information and assignments. And when you're halfway done, so you're all the way down here to Module 4, assignment number 20. When you finish up doing assignment number 20, what you want to do is you want to shoot me an email. Once again, my email can be found at the home page. So if you go up to here and you hit the home page, you go back here and you'll find my web information. If at any point you have any questions or concerns or something doesn't make sense, please give me a phone call, shoot me an email. I can usually get back to you in 24 hours or less. So once again, the videos are here for you to watch. Please watch all the video tutorials. Now, each module itself has its own video which will take you through that module. So once again, you click on the links, it'll take you right to the intro video explaining each module. I try to make this as user-friendly and usable as possible. So once again, let's review. 3 things. Navigating, remember to hit the edit and the save button. Make sure you have a backup copy of everything you do that you can post later. And the third and final thing, after 4 modules, send me that you've done it so I can look at it. And after the final 4 modules, after module 8 is complete, obviously, you want to send me a second email so I can update you. And of course, if there's any questions or concerns or something isn't working, please shoot me an email, give me a phone call. So hopefully you've enjoyed our tutorial on how to work and how to interact with our Class Wiki. Have a great time and good luck with the course.